The Samsung Galaxy S25 is creating a lot of buzz since it is likely to have a slew of intriguing enhancements. The highly anticipated Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip is one of the flagship device's most notable features. This new chip promises lightning-fast speed, but there are fears that it may come at a price. According to a well-known leaker, the price of Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 phone models might climb significantly compared to their predecessors, which used the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. This report has spurred curiosity regarding the price of flagship phones like the Galaxy S25 and OnePlus 13 in the future year. The information comes from a post by a digital chat station on the Chinese social media platform Weibo, where it is claimed that the price of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip with the model number SM8750 will rise significantly. In fact, the price increase is said to be so significant that one phone maker has reportedly cancelled their Pro model phone for this year, though the identity of the manufacturer is unknown. While the actual price rise is unclear, this development worries developers. The big question is whether this increased cost will be passed on to the consumers or if developers will have to make compromises in other areas to maintain the same price range. For example, they might consider downgrading certain features or refraining from upgrading the phone's camera's display or storage capacity. Another possibility is that developers may opt to continue using the current Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip or even the newer but less powerful Snapdragon 8s Gen. Alternatively, businesses might concentrate on improving their handset software capabilities to compensate for any cost-cutting measures in hardware. We saw this approach with the Galaxy S24 series, which brought the Galaxy I package of features despite very little hardware advancements. On the other hand, Samsung may choose to address rising costs by promoting more models equipped with its improved Exynos chip, thereby reducing global expenses. While the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip may have a higher price tag, it is rumored to be one of the most powerful chips ever produced, with reports indicating that it will offer an exceptional user experience. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.